Welcome to our video on the superfood powerhouse, kale. In this video we'll be exploring the incredible health benefits of this leafy green vegetable, often hailed as one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. From its richness in essential nutrients to its high antioxidant content, kale's health benefits are impressive and diverse. We'll also look at how it supports heart health, aids in cancer prevention, promotes eye health, has anti-inflammatory properties, and supports digestive health. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of kale and its amazing health benefits. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse, offering an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A supports vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health and helps in blood clotting. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, supporting the immune system and aiding in collagen production for healthy skin. Kale contains various antioxidants, including quercetin and camphorol. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress. Lowering oxidative stress is associated with a decreased risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain cancers. The fiber and potassium in kale contribute to heart health. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, potentially lowering the risk of stroke and heart disease. Additionally, kale's omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation, further benefiting heart health. Kale contains sulforaphane, a compound with potential anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that sulforaphane may help in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and supporting the body's detoxification processes, potentially reducing the risk of certain cancers, including colon and breast cancer. Kale is rich in beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, nutrients known for their beneficial effects on eye health. These compounds can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, supporting overall vision health. The combination of antioxidants, particularly vitamin K, contributes to kale's anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, and consuming kale may help reduce inflammation markers in the body, potentially lowering the risk of conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. With its fiber content, both soluble and insoluble, kale supports healthy digestion. Soluble fiber helps prevent constipation by softening stools, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, aiding in regular bowel movements. Additionally, the fiber in kale feeds beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Now that you know the amazing health benefits of kale, why not incorporate this nutrient-dense food into your diet? Remember, your health is your wealth. So take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and stay tuned for more. Incorporating kale into your diet regularly can provide a multitude of health benefits, contributing to overall well-being and vitality.